Hello lovely ladies, I just wanted to show you something a bit crafty today. Kathy was requesting to see a tutorial on how I do my bows for my chiffon bags. It just spices them up a little bit. It's nice for like special events like Christmas or whatever, or someone's birthday. So yeah, it's just a little bow that I made and it's put onto a chiffon bag. My sister-in-law Storm taught me how to do these, so I thought I'd share it with you. So you can grab some ribbons. You can get them from the $2 shop for like a couple bucks. They have lots of different colours. I like to use 3 different colours, but you can get creative and do whatever you like. So today I'm going to use blue and the silver, and I might do a bit of gold today as well. So I'm going to go silver, blue in the middle, and gold, and just do it however you like. Do what makes you feel good, because that will show you and what you like and your own sort of personality, which people love to see your own personalities. So we just do a loop like that with your 3 colours. Then, so you can sort of change the size up. After a while you'll figure out how it all works and can do it however you like. The different sizes. And then just loop it around again. It doesn't have to be perfectly straight, your loop. So just like that, you've got your 2 loops. And just cut it off like that. Then I like to grab the thinnest ribbon and just take a small amount and push it down like that. Try not to bend the ends because then they'll get a crease in them. It's not as effective. Put it over like this. Then grab it and hold it and pull your ends up like this, and then just have a play with it and get them all how you like them. Pull them all out to the side and give it a tie. So just tie it in a knot like that. I'll just give it an extra one, just make sure it's going to hold. And then I like to go and just give these another shape. Pull them all out so they're all sticking out nicely and evenly and more in a circle. So you just have a play around with it and get it how you like it. And then you can just pop it on your bag. So you just use these bits here that you use to tie it all together, these strands to wrap around your bag, and I just tie it once so that's easy for the customer to get off. And that's it. I hope you liked that, and if you have any questions or anything, just let me know and I can give you a hand with it. Thanks to my sister-in-law Storm for teaching me how to do those. Yeah, have a lovely day.